Students, in our theory class, previously we have learned that how to use the operators or the mathematical symbol with FD command and how to do different calculations by using the specific operators or the word. Here only this class we will do the same thing as a practical class. First we learn that how the plus symbol is used or any mathematical symbol is used with FD or BK command. As like you know that FD command is used to move the turtle to forward direction, but here only if I give FD then any mathematical symbol together like plus, then the turtle will, first is the logo will add those two numbers and turtle will move to that particular steps to the forward direction. So how it is? FD, then any two numbers like 20. If I give only 20, the turtle will move to 20 steps forward. But if I give 20, then plus another number 20, then first it will add 20 plus 20, how much? It is 40, and the turtle will move to 40 steps to forward direction. In this way, we can use the mathematical operators with such kind of primitives like FD, BK, etc. Now it's time to discuss about how to use another operators for mathematical operations, arithmetic operations. What are those? In previous class we have learned by using the plus symbol or such kind of symbols, plus, minus, multiplication, we can do the calculations. But here are specific word, those are called operator. By use those word we can do the different kinds of functions in logo also. What are those? Like for addition. For addition, which word is used? Like sum. If you use sum word, no need to use the plus symbol there. Sum itself is a function which is used to add the numbers. So let's see how it is doing through logo. You need PR first because it is going to print the result there. PR, one space, sum, another space. Choose any two numbers, suppose 20. What is the result? 40. Here only again I am telling, if you are using the specific word sum, no need to use the symbol plus symbol there. Enter. See, the result has come 40 here. But keep it in your mind that if you are using more than two numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, so how to write to do the addition? PR, then you have to do this manner. First bracket, then the word sum, then suppose 3 numbers 30, 1 space 20, 1 space 20, first bracket close. See, the result has come. So understood the difference between how to add 2 numbers and how to add more than 2 numbers, that may be 3, 4, 5, etc. Next thing is, in this way we can do the multiplication or product also. How? PR, then space, product. The word for multiplication is product. Then I said that 2 numbers, 4 space 5. Same way the result has come 4, 5, 20. So either you can do by PR 4 multiplied by 5, 4 into 5, or you can use the word product and can give 2 numbers by this way. You can add more than 2 numbers also, as same as I have done sum there. More arithmetic operators like that way. If you want to find remainder, how to do this? PR space REMAINDER. You have to always remember the correct spelling to do the things. Suppose 2 numbers 45 space 6. Enter. It will give you the remainder. If you do division, the remainder which will come, the computer or logo can give the remainder in this process by using the particular arithmetic operator. In the same manner, we can find out the quotient also. How? PR space QUOTIENT. Again I am telling, always be aware which spelling you are writing. If the spelling is incorrect, if the correct space has not given, then the function will not be executed on the screen. 45 space 6. See, this is the quotient, the result quotient has come there. In this way, if you give a number, it will round up. How to round up a number? PR ROUND. If you write a number with fraction part, see, it just omit the part which is just after point and give you the number in a rounded manner. Next is random. The random command in Logo is used to give the output of any number in a range without following any rule. So what is the meaning of this? Suppose PR space random 12. See, the number has come 2. That means it just search a number in between 1 to 12 and just randomly it choose 2 and gives you. Next time if I give the same command random 12. See, now next time has come 5. Again PR random 12. This time it has come 0. So it just find out the numbers between 0 to 12 in that range and choose any number, pick out any number and gives you the output on the screen. So understood, students, how the Logo arithmetic, so many are there in Logo, and another more you are going to learn in the higher classes. For this class only it is enough to learn such kind of simple Logo arithmetics or how to do the calculations. Only one thing left in your chapter, that is how to use the label command. What is the function on label command, which we are going to discuss to the next day's class. So keep practicing such kind of things. You have your book, you have all the commands as written there. You just keep practicing these things. These things will be very easier if you practice continuously the Logo arithmetic. So for today only up to this. Thank you.